Okay, we did some cha-cha steps today. The song is below in the description. We danced to Santana, Evil Ways. Our basic step was rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. We did it 3 different ways. I will face away from you in a moment and do it with you, but let me share it with you, facing you and turning sideways. So we took our right foot and rocked back. Rock, and then step. We returned, and then we cha-cha-cha'd to the right. Cha-cha-cha. We also went backward on the left. Rock, return, step to the left, cha-cha-cha. And then we repeated. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Back, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. From the side it looks like this. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Remember to bend your knees, cha-cha-cha. If you stay on the balls of your feet and roll through your feet as you're stepping, we get that nice hip movement, and that's strong hips, strong feet. Good for balance. So when we're doing our steps, that's what we're doing. We also did a sideways basic where we rocked back and then forward. So we had rock, step, cha-cha-cha, forward rock, step, cha-cha-cha. If we go back on the right, return to the right, two, and then forward, rock, step left, cha-cha-cha. Our third option was to do a forward and backward cha-cha. So let me show you that, and then I'll show you both of those from the side. So we go back, rock, right, rock, return, step, keep going forward, cha-cha-cha, forward rock on the left, rock, return, step, backward, cha-cha-cha, back, right, rock, step, go forward, cha-cha-cha, right, left, forward, rock, step, go backward, cha-cha-cha. From the side, that one looks like this, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. The sideways one looks like this, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. You probably noticed I don't lean back or lean forward. I keep my body still and I let my feet go out in the different ways. So I don't dive my body around. I try to keep my body still and let my legs go out from underneath in all the directions. That's a great way to try to stay steady. All right, so those were all the steps that we did. Let's try all 3 together with me facing away. First one we're gonna do is rock back on the right, cha-cha to the right, rock back on the left, cha-cha to the left. Here we go. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha, back left, rock, step, cha-cha, repeat that, back right, return, cha-cha-cha, back left, return, cha-cha-cha. If we do the regular basic where we rock back on the right, go to the right, rock forward on the left, go to the left. Here we go. Rock, step, go right, cha-cha, forward, left, rock, return, go left, cha-cha, again, rock, step, cha-cha-cha, forward, left, rock, step, and cha-cha-cha. Then we have our forward, backward. Start back on the right. Rock, step, go forward, cha-cha-cha, forward, left, rock, step, go backward, cha-cha-cha. One more. Rock back on the right, and then forward, 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 left, rock, step, go backward, cha-cha-cha. Just play around with those. And when you insert cha-cha into any of your favorite music, it's really fun. You can do it in place, don't forget. We can cha-cha-cha in place. You can just do the rhythm right in place. It's still good practice to get the hips moving. Just play around with it and enjoy. See you next week.